I've been persecuted for my political views, drugged heavily, and I don't believe I'll ever be given a fair share, excuse me, a fair shake in life ever again. And it's sad, because I wish I could just do it all in one take, like my combos, and just get the love, the spirit I feel in martial arts. So here's some combos to compare. The challenge is still on, July 13th. It looks slower. Whoa. 7/6/2017, pumped up for a reason. Get down! Challenge is still on, motherfucker! And that is how a real evil warrior is born! Point of no return. Oh, there's another one. A little faster. Deontay Wilder reach. 15 hits. 1.2 seconds.